GH5 has a joystick that's just to the right of the viewfinder. Now the joystick has two functions. One is to help you move focusing around. So you can still focus by touching the screen, but now you can move the focus point by touching the joystick. Now, in conjunction with that, to make the target here larger and smaller, you can use the thumb wheel, you can use the front wheel here, you can use this wheel. This wheel will also move you around. But the joystick is now an extremely fast way, especially when you're looking through the viewfinder, to adjust your focus point. Another great use for the joystick, though, is to move around the menus. So I can go up and down, I can go left and right with it, I can go over, I can go anywhere I want to with the joystick. So it's extremely useful. Now, the optional battery grip also has a joystick on it that does exactly the same thing when you have this attached.
Panasonic.